Hey everyone, Nick Green here. May 1st. Beautiful morning here in sunny Indiana. Today, new month, new goal. This here, just to map it out, so let's say your goal is to do something on like 3 days a week here. We all know how to do this. Is week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and today I want 1 for 1. And if you track your goals, this isn't about my workouts, but it's just more about actually how to use these tools. So you go through the day, right? This isn't rocket science, but the key here is to look at how your performance is the month prior and how it is later. Let's say we go 100%, we made our goal, right? 13 for 13, right? People can check this, but the key here is to put it on a graph. Did you increase from April? Did you decrease in June? What happened? Compliance, track the goals.